So we just landed in Ibiza. How beautiful is this view? Me and Jazz are scared that we're gonna need to pee when we're on the boat because there's no toilet. I am loving life right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am finally getting around to doing the full face using my mum's makeup bag. If I look really red in the face, it's because it's bloody boiling outside, and I mean like, if you guys live in a hot country, you will probably laugh at me and be like, I don't know, I'll get loads of comments being like, oh, my country is 40 degrees Celsius. Outside right now it's like 25 degrees and it's warm in my house because we don't have any form of air conditioning. Okay, right, judging from YouTube, I think it was either OMG It's Maya or Michael Finch who started this video. Not 100% sure, but whoever created it, I think it's such a cool idea. I haven't done this video for the longest time because my mum does not really wear makeup. The only makeup that she wears, like, pretty much every day is lipstick. Other than that, unless it's a special occasion, sometimes she will wear a tiny bit of mascara and maybe a bit of blush. But I asked her if I could dig into her makeup collection, and all of her makeup fits into this one little bag. She doesn't even use all of these products, but I thought that I would see what I can do with them. This is gonna be interesting. Today's notification shout out goes to Just Lives X, and she says, I've literally been with you since day one and would love a shout out. I still have my Freedom Duo powder too, and I'm so sad the brand's being discontinued. Lots of love, Soph. Thank you, Liv. Well, I'm assuming your name is Liv because you're called Just Lives X. If you are called Liv, thank you very much. Make sure you guys have my notifications turned on, and if you want to shout out, just leave me a comment down below. Let's just bring you a little bit closer. Most of the makeup that is in here, like 90% of it, is stuff that I've actually given my mum, because obviously I have a lot of makeup myself, and sometimes I like to offer her things that I don't want anymore. So the first thing that I'm going to be using today, this was actually a gift to my mum, and I don't actually know if she's worn it yet. This is the YSL Touche Éclat, which is such a classic old YouTube thing which everybody used to obsess over. I've never used this because it's way too bougie for me, let's be real. But it's just this little clicky pen concealer thing, but it's kind of pink, like it's like a salmon colour, and I think it's supposed to be used underneath your eyes to colour correct. But this is the only form of like coverage that my mum has at all. So I'm gonna try and use it to I don't know, just conceal under my eyes and the rest of my face, I guess. Like, it's literally a, oh god, that was too much. It's literally like a salmon pink colour. I'm pretty sure this is like £25 or something crazy. You know what, I'm also gonna put some on my nose because my nose is like very red. And let's put a little bit on my chin, a little bit on this blemish, even though it's not the right colour for me at all, but we'll go with it. And then I'm literally just gonna use my finger to blend this in. Oh, don't know if you can see my cat back there. He's just joined me. Let's be real, the main reason I'm using my fingers right now is because I cannot be asked to go to the bathroom and wet my beauty blender. I mean, it's definitely given me some coverage and like brightened my under eye area. I mean, normally in my day-to-day life, I would go for something that literally covers any existence of my skin, but but we're keeping this very fresh and natural today. My face still looks very pink, and I think it's a combination of me being hot and also this pen being kind of pink toned. I kind of really want some more coverage on my face right now. My cheeks are kind of red. Let's try and cover those up a bit. Yeah, I do kind of feel like I look like a salmon right now. The next makeup products that I'm going to use, this, I'm not kidding, is probably about 10 years old. This is the number 7. All of the writing has come off the back. Wait, I think it says Perfect Light Pressed Powder in Translucent. And this is just a little pressed powder, so I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this to set my skin. Not entirely sure if this is safe to use because it's very out of date, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I mean, my skin's already breaking out after my last video, so may as well make it even worse. No, I don't really think that, no, Soph, I don't think that is a good way to live your life. Don't ask me why, I'm literally using the smallest brush ever to do this. Okay, so that has definitely mattified my skin. It did the job. I'll just let you know on Twitter whether or not I break out or not. So in terms of the rest of the base, this is where we're very limited. I have a number 7 blush, which is the shade 10 Soft Damson Natural Blush Cheek Colour, which again, I think it was bought around the same time as the powder, so this is very old. So there's a blush, there's no other like face products in here. I did recently give my mum this Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in the shade 1. I love this stuff, but I normally use shade 3. Shade 1 is too light for me. I was thinking I could try and use this for contour because it's that kind of ashy sort of shade. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Just dipping into some of that eyebrow powder. Okay, so it's definitely a very, very, very subtle contour, but it's kind of there. You can see it. I'm probably using up so much of this right now. I'm really sorry, Mum. I'll buy you a new one. Okay, it's really not even showing up around my forehead, but that will do. And then taking some of the blush, and I'm gonna put some of this on as well because may as well make use of everything that we've got here because there's only about 10 products. Okay, that is the blush. I kind of feel like right now I look about 10 years old. And that is it for the face products because my mum does not have any highlighter. You know what? I'm also going to use this Benefit brow powder just as like a transition shade in my crease as eyeshadow because again, no eyeshadow. I don't normally wear eyeshadow. Something just got stuck in my throat. Okay, excuse my watering eyes now, but I don't normally wear eyeshadow on a daily kind of basis. But I thought that I might as well try and jazz up this look somehow. Surprisingly, this does not blend very nicely as eyeshadow. I'm then actually going to use the brow stuff for its purpose and fill in my brows with it. I think I'm just going to go straight in with the darker colour because the blonde one, wait, let's give it a go, but I don't think it really shows up. Okay, that's very warm toned. Yeah, I'm just going to use the darker shade because it's kind of more cool toned. Why do I look like I've just done a workout at the gym? My face is so red. You know what? I am just dipping into that lighter shade. Just for the very front part of my brows. Okay, actually my brows look way darker than normal. So the next step in this is mascara, and I did also give my mum one of the Revlon mascaras because I've got all of them for some reason. And the one that she took was the red one. I can't remember which one that was, but I'm not going to use that one just for like hygiene reasons. Sharing mascara isn't the best thing to do. But I do have like all of the other Revlon mascaras here, so I'm going to use the, I don't know which one to go for. Let's try the Dramatic Definition one. Please be good, please be good, please be good. Ooh, okay, it's got a plastic brush. Yeah, I am not the biggest fan of this mascara. It's very, very natural and separating. I think this would be good if you were like going to school and you're not supposed to wear makeup because it's very natural looking, like it separates your lashes a lot. I'm gonna use the Mega Multiplier mascara because I know that this one is better. Then the final step to this is lips, and lipstick is probably like the most amount of products that my mum has. There are quite a few different ones in here to choose from. She loves the Revlon lip butters. I don't even know if they make these anymore, but do you guys remember when these were like such a thing? I remember when they first came out, everyone was obsessed with them. So this is the Revlon lip butter in the shade Sugar Plum. I then recently gave her two of these, which are the Revlon, no idea what they're called. But I know her favourite thing at the moment is another one which I gave her, which is the Tarte Plummy Rose lipstick. I think this came in some sort of set. Oh my god, she actually loved this so much, it's almost gone. Oh mum, I feel really bad for using this. I'm just going to use a little bit because I know that this is her favourite and I've actually never tried it, so. Oh my god, it's super creamy. Okay, the texture of that is actually really nice. I can see why she likes it, but ugh. I think I would really like the colour of this lipstick if it wasn't for the rest of my makeup. I think just wearing pink lipstick and then not wearing much coverage on the rest of my face, I'm really not feeling this look right now. On it, I just dropped this and I tried to catch it and I've just made like 2 stab marks in it. Let's just put that away. Yeah, honestly, I think it's the fact that I don't have much coverage on my face and then my brows are like super, super bold. I didn't really mean for them to be this bold. It was kind of an accident because I didn't really realise that the colour was going to come out so dark. But I mean, this is the overall look. This is using all of my mum's makeup. It's very, very natural. I'm not too keen on it. And also I think the fact that there's just no highlighter is honestly just like ruining my face. So here's a close-up of my eyes and eyebrows. Ta-da! Can we just talk about, since the start of this video, the curls in my hair have dropped so much. At the start of this video, my hair was so curly and now they've just kind of gone. Anyway, that is it from me. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I don't really know actually how entertaining this was because, you know, there wasn't really that much makeup to play with. But you know what, that is completely fine. If you guys have mums that don't really wear much makeup, or if you don't wear much makeup, that is completely cool. You do you. I'm not judging my mum for not wearing makeup. I don't actually know where my love for makeup came from because my mum literally just, like, she wears lipstick. That's pretty much it. But anyway, thank you mum for lending me your makeup bag and letting me do this video. If you have come this far in the video, I just want to do a little giveaway because I like throwing them in at the end of like random videos or just like halfway through random videos, because that way I know that people that actually watch me get involved in the giveaway. So if you've come this far, I'm going to put a picture here on the screen, or like a little video on the screen of the prizes that you'll win. I've put together like a little box. This giveaway is only going to run until my next video, so I'll announce the winner in my next video. Here's the thing, I don't want you guys to mention down below about the giveaway, so in your comment don't put the word giveaway or anything, or like I'd love to win, because then other people see that and then they start commenting and they don't even watch my videos, if you get what I mean. So if you want to be entered, just leave me a comment down below, but put a single yellow heart emoji at the end of it. Don't like spam tons of yellow hearts, because then that, I feel like that also gives it away. But if you guys just put a single yellow heart at the end of whatever your comment is, then I'll enter you guys into this secret little giveaway, and it's just like between me and you know. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any other video suggestions down below. And yeah, that's it from me. If you aren't already subscribed, I would love it so much if you joined. Press that subscribe button if you want to. If you don't want to, then bye. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.